Alright, so PS4 and PS5 system software updates are rolling out globally today, and PlayStation had made a post, and I'm gonna be telling you every single thing about this new update. So the first major update include is the open and closed parties for PS4 and PS5. So now you can make a closed party where no one can see the party, and you can only invite people and they can only join, and the open party is just gonna be the normal one where anyone can see and anyone of your friends can join. And the next update is the new PS5 Game Base UI. So you guys know there's a game based thingy on PS5 where you can see the friends and messages. So the UI has changed. You can see on the screen how it's gonna look. And the next update for PS5 is the PS5 Trophies UI update. Now you can see the color of the trophies. Literally I can see the metal on the back. The trophy is gold or bronze or even platinum. You can see that on the background of the trophy. Okay, so the next thing in this update is for PS5, that is the mono audio. So now there's an option for mono audio for the headphones where you can play the same audio from both left and right of the headphones. There was not a mono audio option, so now it's there, so it's kind of nice. And now there's another big update, and that is you can now start the share play from the voice chat card. You don't have to go to the party screen. Now you can start the share play directly from the voice chat card on PS5. And there's like pro tips for select console features now for the PS5. I think this update is mostly for PS5. I just saw one feature for PS4. That was the party one, nothing else. And yeah, there's really good update that I really like. New thing in this update, that is you can adjust the chat volume of individual player on PS4. I think it's going to be on PS5 as well, but on PS4 it's really relieving because some people are really loud and you cannot just lower their volume, so now you can do that. And game-based party chat updates for PS5 app. I don't use the PS5 app much, but it's okay. You can now create a party and party limit and everything on the app as well. So yeah, these are the new things in the update you guys can see on the screen. So yeah, these are things in the new PS5 and PS4 update that's gonna be coming out today. I think you might already have that update. Check your console and you will be getting all of these new features on your console. So yeah, there's the video. I will catch you on the next one. Peace out.